Mukhang talsik siya ng ano yun daw?
Oh my God! Ano
Ano yan?
Hindi natin kailangan gumamit ng black light.
Ano yung ba yan? It's not very inviting. I don't feel safe. Oh my God, we're inhaling that.
I am traumatized. May parang pungent.
Pungent? That's not good.
Bato, pick! Yan! Hello mga katropa.
Tara at samahan niyo kami na i-check out ang loob ng
Nice
Hotel.
On our way to Nice Hotel.
Ano pinagkaiba nitong suite room sa family?
Family po, double bed po. Yung suite 2 person. Pwede pong 4 person. Like po na suite 2 persons po.
Tapos pag-order kami ng food, pwede namang tumawag na lang.
Yes.
Going up.
Medyo madilim. Medyo may kadiliman. Sana naman hindi man naigang kasamaan ng kadiliman.
Ang laban po ngayon ay puwersa ng kadiliman laban sa puwersa ng kasamaan!
Ang kinuha naming room is sweet.
That's very sweet.
Yeah, sweet mo.
Bala.
Ano, nababasa tayo. Ano ba number natin?
427. Walang 427. Nasaan kami? Ayun, tara, may isa pa. OMG.
Pasintabi muli sa mga kumakain.
Oh my God, ang ipis. Naamoy mo ba?
Medyo may kabahuan.
May pagkaamoy ng moldy.
OMG, pagkapasok pa lang namin ng nice, may ipis na. Hello! Thank you for welcoming us.
Oh my God, and the bed. Look at the stain. Hindi natin kailangan gumamit ng black light.
OMG, may stains. Very, very visible. Ito yung kama, oh. Yung headboard. It's so dirty. Ano yung tae ba yan? Ano yun? Tapos yung walls, may mga dumi ng sapatos na it's not very inviting. Hindi siya nakaka-fresh.
Carlo, yung amoy, hindi ko kaya. Okay, malaki yung shower room. But as you can see, maraming mga lumot. And baby ipis is always present. It's just a toilet and this is the sink.
I don't feel safe. Yung lock, wala. Wala po tayong lock for today's video. I'm scared. Nice. Work on this. Ito po yung ilalim ng desk beside the bed. Ano ba yan?
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that? What's that, brother?
Alam mo, wala silang respect for the customers. Bakit ganyan? Disappointing. Oh my God. Nakakadiri.
Nagpatong na tayo ng sheet dito sa may kama kasi ayokong dumikit
Yung
yung katawan ko sa may kama dito.
Sa leather pala yung kama, oh. So, it's the sheet.
Mm.
That's dirty. Nakakalungkot.
I am traumatized.
Huwag kang hihiga dun sa kama. Baka pagbangon mo, may kumapit ng something sa'yo.
Yeah. I feel dirty just sitting down sa bed.
Plano pa naman namin umorder ng food para itry yung pagkain nila. It's not inviting. It's not appetizing.
Number one na sobrang noticeable is yung smell. Hindi ko alam,
Oo,
nahihilo
yung
ako.
amoy talaga. Alam mo yung amoy, at the same time, alam mong madumi, alam mong may ipis, upos ng sigarilyo, may dumi yung bedsheet. Kahit nga 600 hindi siya worth 600. Hindi naman namin na-expect na 5 star. Ang na-expect naman namin decent, na makakapagpahinga for a short time. Hindi ka makakapagpahinga dito, no, kasi nakakadiri.
Yung point naman ng video na to is not to bring down or siraan yung mga mumurahing hotels. It's just to give you honest review
Honest review.
and honest feedback. Kasi, di ba kasi for someone like us na mahilig mag-travel, mag-staycation, gusto namin matry naman din yung alternatives, di ba? Hindi lang yung mga high-rated sa Airbnb, sa
Lalo na kung
hotel.
tight budget ka, syempre,
Yes.
dun ka sa, sa affordable rooms. Paano kung ganito yung mga affordable room, tapos may 80s?
ma-enjoy mo may vacation mo, enjoy mo yung staycation nyo, you get what you paid for, diba? My God, yung health mo, yung susugal mo.
Kung nanonood yung Nice Hotel, it's an eye-opener for you as a business owner na kailangan nyo ayusin. We're paying you to give us a space where we can rest for a while, pero maalikabok, madumi, maipis. No,
You don't do that.
that's suspicious.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
In the words of Demi Lovato, that's not good.
No, it's not. Nakita na natin yung room with our naked eyes, black light or UV light, para makita natin yung mga unwanted stains kung meron man.
Ayan pa natin.
Yeah.
Ubong-ubo?
Yeah, the smell is smelling.
Okay, it's time.
Are you ready, Carla?
Yes.
Let's start with the entrance, the usual.
The entrance is giving naman.
Then dito sa may papasok ng CR,
Okay. Buti na lang di tayo nagpaa.
the love
May
chair.
mga talsik na hindi natin nakikita. Mukha namang nalinis siya.
Dito tayo sa may chair and desk.
Alright.
Ano naman,
Alikabok
usually,
na. Usual alikabok. Usual alikabok din.
yung remote, tingnan natin.
Remote.
Okay,
Oh,
usual.
okay naman
Okay
siya.
naman siya.
Yung TV, kitang-kita po na maalikabok, mga kapamilya. Table looks...
Unclean,
parang kakalabas lang nila, tapos pinapasok na tayo.
walang pagpunas. So I think punta tayo sa main event.
So, best.
Sa
bed.
bed.
Surrounding walls ng bed.
Madumi lang siya, may mga shoe marks.
Oo, yung mga shoe marks lang talaga. No?
Doon sa may telephone.
Sa telephone, ayan, ito maalikabok lang talaga siya. Maalikabok din. The telephone, malala ang alikabok. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita mo.
Yeah,
na.
nakita ko nga eh.
So, hindi siya nakaka-fresh. Then sa kabilang wall,
As expected, may mga wall drippings.
mukhang talsik siya. Ano yun daw?
Ano ba naman mo?
Mababa eh. Kung galing sa wall, dapat sa taas.
Ew. So, may mga ano lang din, mga stains din. Maybe from food or drinks.
Probably.
O dito naman sa may headboard, tingnan natin kung may mga stain. Meron? Can you see it?
Yan, oo. Ano yan?
Okay. So, I think sa may konting punas, mawawala yan.
Oo, hindi nila pinupunasan.
Oh my God, ito parang.
Ano yan? Ew!
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Uy, alam mo, okay yun. Yan, totoo yan. Okay, wala pong hawak ng headboard for today. Hello.
Malinis?
Malinis naman.
Can you-
Malinis yung sheet na
Okay,
ginamit
yung
for
sheet.
the pillow.
Pwede mong balik rin, Carla? For me, please.
Medyo nandidiri lang tayo.
So, other pillow naman.
So far, okay naman siya. Malinis yung sheet. Gusto mo bang silipin yung unan mismo?
Go.
Parang kutsyon din. Pero may cover. Hindi siya
May cover.
kagaya nung sa AstroTurf na sponge talaga. It's time for the bed.
Let's start here. Hindi mo alam kung design ba yan?
Hindi yan design. Dapat plain color lang yan. Ayan o.
Oh.
Parang moon.
Nakita ba sa
Ganyan
video?
siya. Nakikita
Parang-
siya yung mga marks. Parang nga siyang
Oh
moon.
my
diba?
God. Ew.
No. We're not gonna sit on that bed, please.
Alam mo, wag natin gamitin 3 hours. Basta tayo. Clean and sanitize for your comfort and protection. Let's see how sanitized yung towels.
Totoo ba talaga na sanitize?
Oh my God, yun pa naman.
Ba't may...
Oh. Oh,
May buhok
Carlo,
ko, hawakan yung buhok kadiri.
may DNA. Kita ba?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Kita. Kita yung buhok.
Oh my God. Sanitize ba yan? May buhok.
Ayun pa, ang daming buhok.
Oh my God, kaya may buhok ulit. Ano naman, yung kumot.
Buhok na lang. Nice, it's not nice. Ano to? Ginamit ba to kanina at binigay niyo lang sa akin?
Okay.
At
Walang
least yung
stain.
kumot, okay naman. Ilalim ng
Okay.
mattress muna.
Bed bugs.
Sige, 1, 2, wait lang, nadidiri ako. 3.
Oh my God.
Ano yan? Okay, ayoko na.
Ayoko.
Ayoko na.
Babas.
Aka!
Ayoko. Ayoko, my God.
CR? Grabe, ang dumi. Parang ang dumi niya. Yung seat mismo, madumi. Yoda.
Ayoko ba?
Hindi siya nilinis.
Hindi ako upo dyan.
Yung lababo, itong lababo. Ito, tinan mo, may mga talsik-talsik. Di mo alam kung tubig ba yan or what. I don't want to say it's water kasi wala akong tiwala.
Shower. Oh my God, parang crime scene. Alam mo yung sa miso, ito yung makukuha mo sa may 600. You be the judge kung worth
The
it.
judge.
See mo yung likod ng love chair? Ano, may daga?
Hindi siya malinis.
Okay,
Pero wala
alikabok.
daga. At least walang daga.
Di mo sure, baka may lumabas. Pero Carlo, evidence sa amoy, hindi malinis.
Huwag na kayo mag-book dito, please. So ngayon, magbabasya lang tayo ng ilan sa mga reviews ng mga nakapag-stay na dito from Google. Check natin yan. Do the honors.
So first one from Jinda, rated at 1 star. Some of the staff are not accommodating. Since it's our first time, we asked for the promo posted outside their building and how the answer was rude. The bed sheet has stains on it. The door of the bathroom can't be closed. The front door was so hard to open and hard to lock. I agree sa lahat ng statements niya.
Medyo totoo siya kasi I don't feel safe.
Second review.
Board Legacy, 1 star din siya. So freaking bad. Never come to this sheesh hole. Sheesh. Worst experience in any hotel wannabes. Just got out and stress brought me here. Sheets are dirty as F. If you love your precious life, don't you spend a dime here. Agree. Next naman ay si Jay with 1 star. Very disgusting. Both the room and the service. Got the deluxe room and right from opening the door, you can smell something bad that will surely prevent you from sleeping. 100% agree. The room also doesn't come with any electrical outlet to charge your devices except for the one used on the TV. They will offer extension for the outlet with an additional charge.
Travesty.
Wala ngang outlet.
Yeah, feel ko yung nandun sa may TV.
Toilet doesn't have a toilet seat. Agree.
Facts.
Walls have holes in them. Please don't come to this hotel. Ang dami na nag-warn sa inyo. Huwag na kayong pumunta.
Okay, last one from Trisha. 1 star review. The worst experience we've ever had. I get it. It's a bit cheaper than Sogo, but they could have at least done better service. First, the air condition isn't even making the room cold. Malamig siya pero hindi ganun kalamig.
Mokha. Parang Baguio, pero parang hindi naman.
And the sink isn't working. Also, the shower, flush, and bidet. Then the telephone also isn't working, so they will bother you by knocking on your door to let you know it's time to check out. Open ko lang yung light sa headboard.
Alright. Ano yun? Parang sasabog pa.
May sound.
May tunog. Oh my gosh. Meron sila mga food dito sa Nice Hotel. So, meron silang beer, may sisig, meron silang dry ice. May mga yan. Parang stimulants. Stimulants? May ano sila, sex dice for 90 pesos. May choose your weapon. You need a big boy.
Don't spice up your life.
Slippery when wet.
Instead of pagka-order natin, ito lang orderin natin.
Gusto mo ba?
Joke lang. Since hindi tayo makapag-happy moment,
At walang magawa.
magana tayo. Sige, Jack and Poy.
Mag-Jack and Poy kami. At ang matatalo,
Hihiga sa kama.
best of 5.
Best of 5.
Best of 5 OMG.
Jack and Poy ha.
I am calling out to all my ninuno. Ninuno?
A few moments later.
Bato. Pick. Okay. O, ikaw na ang higa. Okay na, Carlo? Ready na? 10 seconds ha, magbibilang ako.
Bibili na lang kita ng bagong phone.
Bilisan mo na. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ay, kadiri talaga.
Dikit mo yung katawan mo.
Ano kung
Okay na?
ako?
Kadiri.
So, ito na. We're leaving Nice Hotel. At bago tayo umalis, we will be leaving a mark.
Yes.
Trivia lang for everyone. Nice Hotel, nakakahiyamang sabihin. Ito yung unang hotel namin ni Yoda. Nung nagsisimula kami. Kasi syempre students kami nun no?
Actually, to be specific, OJT tayo nun
Oo,
sa Emerson.
OJT.
Kapat ng SM North EDSA. Dito tayo nakauwi nun. Tapos kailangan natin ng panandali ang,
Hoy!
panandali ang matutuluyan bago pumasok ng school. Kasi parang alam ko, thesis yata yun. Tapos agad tayo papasok ng school. Kaya tayo naghanap ng matutuluyan that time.
Yeah. Tsaka nakalabit ko kasi yung alaga. Oh, anyway, kamusta ang overall experience?
Bad hotel. Number 1, pagpasok mo pa lang ng room, sobrang nagka-headache ako dahil sa may sama ng amoy.
Actually, ako rin.
Di ba?
Sumakit din ang ulo ko.
Yung pungent.
Jen. Hindi yun yung kapag sinasali ng mga beauty queen.
Hindi yung beauty pageant. Beauty pageant yun.
Pageant.
No! God, please, no! No!
May ipis.
First time natin na mayroon tayong tinuluyan na may quiz.
Doon naman tayo sa may good side. Spacious yung room compared dun sa may Pants Hotel. Mas malamig yung aircon nila dito. Although luma din naman yung aircon pero mas malamig. How about you?
Yung maalikabok, yung literal na parang may gumamit kanina na umalis lang, tapos binigay lang sa atin. Yung mga buhok dun sa tuwalya, nakalagay, sanitized. Hindi naman. Kama na madaming bakas ng kahapon.
Halatang may happy moments.
Ilalim ng mga desk. My gosh, magwalis naman kayo. Nakakaloka. Ako, dalawa lang yung pros na masasabi ko. Katabi ng SM North, tsaka malamig yung aircon. Yun lang.
At least for me, yung nice hotel is hindi siya pang staycation, pang tupsakan lang siya.
Yung after nyo mag-date sa SM North, dito na kayo dumiretso. Pero if you want to give your special someone a good time, this is not that place. Maghanap na lang kayo ng iba, yung pang-lalaki. With all the experiences that we've had, our review is
1/5. Not recommended at all.
If you're looking for a sign, this is it. It's your sign to avoid this place at all costs. Well,
Yeah.
madami pa kaming mga hotel reviews at currently, we are reviewing cheap hotels. Kaya if you want to see more reviews ng mga cheap hotels, mga disgusting or any experiences na gusto niyo makita on cheap hotels, abangan niyo yan sa aming next videos.
Kung na-enjoy niyo yung video na to, please like it and subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you on our next video, mga katropa!